Hello, dear gentle viewer. We have been apart for far too long. Welcome back to my channel. If you remember vividly well, we have been making nostalgia snacks for over a few weeks now, and we've made Ikonoguwon, we've made Sisi Pelebe, we've made coconut candy, and today I'll be teaching you how to make the legendary Baba Dudu that we all know. So today I'll be showing you how to make Baba Dudu in the comfort of your home. Either you are outside the country, you are within the country, and you just need something from home. This is your clue to watch this video and to make this at home by yourself so you can enjoy it anytime, any day you want to. First thing first, you want to melt your sugar. I'll be dropping the list of the ingredients in the description box below so you can do well to go there and view it. So you want to melt some sugar. Once it is properly caramelized, melted, not burned, you want to go in with your evaporated milk, liquid milk. Once that has been added and you stir gently, you will notice it was about foaming. You can reduce it and turn your heat to the lowest so it doesn't foam out. So once you add your evaporated milk and you mix for about 5 minutes, you want to go in to introduce your condensed milk. You add your condensed milk, stir everything, and once you see it start to thicken up, you want to go in with your butter or margarine. Anyone is fine. I highly recommend butter. So you want to keep stirring from this point. You want to keep stirring till it thickens up like this. You want to keep stirring. You want to get a not very thick, but you want to get a slightly running consistently, not a running consistency, so it cools properly. So once you're done, you want to transfer it into a tray or a flat plate and spread it even. So to start rolling it, you want to add some oil into your palm. This should not be cold before you start rolling. It should be hot and not too hot, and it should be cold and not too cold. It shouldn't be too warm. You want to just give it that temperature that your hand can handle. You will notice that it's actually burning my hand, but then I don't want it to get cold so that I'll be able to achieve my Baba Dudu size. You can cut this into any size of your choice, by the way, but Nigerian style, Baba Dudu style, that is what we're going for. You want to keep molding until you're done with all the batter, and once that is done, so I want to show you how I use my cling film to secure this. You just want to roll it like this. Once you roll it like this and you see that it has been secured, you want to just tie it underneath. Just watch this video and you see how this was made. So I usually use the same process for all the rolled Baba Dudu, and some people actually call it condensed milk, but in this part of the world we know it as Baba Dudu. My fellow gentle viewer, this will be the end of our nostalgia snacks series, and thanks for staying tuned. If you have been watching from the episode of the Ikonoguwon till this moment, thanks for watching, thanks for staying tuned. I really appreciate. Thanks for always watching. And if you have anybody that might be interested in this for business, for personal consumption, please share the videos with them. It really means a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, help share this video to help reach more people, help comment below in the comment section, subscribe to the channel to give YouTube algorithm that zeal to push the video out. And this is the end of our video, and I hope to see you all again in the next video. Do well to enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.